my name's Sean from Trekitt. I just want to say a massive thank you for you guys for hauling your asses out of bed on a Sunday on what is the driest, hottest summer on record. So thanks very much, guys. So today, yeah, an amazing opportunity for you guys from Trekitt to play around with a lot of the product that you guys are going to be selling. So like I say, we're wearing Alpha FLs, Beta LTs, we've got driest packs, we've got Bora packs. Along the way today we're going to do 2 stations if the weather allows it. We're going to have a look at Gore-Tex, how it works and how we use it really efficiently in the products. It's actually going to be quite good weather for testing the kit out. I'm not sure you would have wanted to have donned a Gore-Tex jacket when it was 28 degrees the other day, but looking forward to it. We're in Bob's capable hands for obviously some navigational exercises, so hopefully we're all going to learn a lot on the way around today. So thank you again, let's have fun, let's stay dry and stay safe as well.
Distance about 1 kilometre. Following the new guidebook for the Elan Valley.
They later found that in heart valves, they use this stuff to repair your body on the inside. So in essence, in here, you guys probably know 9 billion holes per square inch. Those holes are 20,000 times smaller than a water droplet. So tone that down, put it into real world, that's like 1 and a bit litres an hour. That's a lot of sweat, isn't it? So when you look at the physics, the whole reason layering systems and these systems exist is because water conducts heat a lot faster than air. 23, 24 times faster than air.
Use the road on the edge of my weapon of choice.
So hopefully you enjoyed that. If you've got bits and pieces, he's coming back. Yeah.